In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save drafts in Yahoo Mail so you never lose an unfinished email again. Whether you're writing an important message, a long response, or just something you want to come back to later, Yahoo Mail makes it really easy to save your work automatically. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail. You can simply search for Yahoo Mail on Google or type in mail.yahoo.com directly into your address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your inbox. From here, look for the Compose or New Message button, usually located on the top left side of the screen. Click on that to open a new email window. Now, start typing your email just like you normally would. Add the recipient's email address, a subject line, and begin writing your message in the body section. You can take your time here and write as much as you need. Here's the important part. Yahoo Mail automatically saves your email as a draft while you're typing. That means you don't have to click any save button manually. But if you want to leave and come back later, simply click the close icon on the email window. As soon as you do that, Yahoo will save your message instantly. To find your saved draft, look over to the left-hand menu and click on the Drafts folder. Once you open it, you'll see all your saved draft emails listed there. Just click on any draft to reopen it and continue editing or send it when you're ready. And that's all there is to it. Yahoo Mail makes saving drafts super simple by doing it automatically in the background, so you never have to worry about losing your progress. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.